Hello, this is Ankit Kumar. Presently, I am pursuing BTech from Asansol Engineering College from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, I am going to discuss some terms which is used in metrology engineering. So, our first term is repeatability. What is repeatability? Repeatability means it is the ability of measuring instrument to repeat the same results for the measurement for the same quantity when the measurements are carried out under the same condition. Means it's the ability of instrument to repeat the same results. Means we are getting the same value after getting the reading. Now the second topic is what is reproducibility. Reproducibility means what? It is the consistency of pattern of variation in the measurement, that is closeness to the agreement between the results of the measurement of the same quantity when the individual measurements are carried out under the different condition, location and time. Means we are getting different value under different condition, location and time. Now we have tolerance and allowance. What is tolerance and what is allowance? So in case of tolerance, it is the permissible variation in dimension of a part, and in case of allowance, it is the prescribed difference between the two dimensional of the two meeting parts. Now in case of tolerance, it is the difference between the higher and lower limit of dimension of a part. In case of allowance, it is the intentional difference between the lower limit of hole and higher limit of shaft. In case of tolerance, it has absolute value without sign, and in case of allowances, it may be positive or it may be negative. Now we have more topic, that is comparator. What is comparator? So comparator is a device where it's a precision instrument which is used to compare the dimension of the given component with the actual working standards. Means it's a comparing device where we compare one component with the given actual working standard. Now we have accuracy and precision. What is accuracy and what is precision? Accuracy means accuracy refers to the level of agreement between the actual and absolute measurement. And what is precision? Precision implies that the level of variation that lies in the value of several measurements of the same factor. In case of accuracy, we will see how closely results agree with a standard value. And in case of precision, what we will see? We will see how closely the results agree with one another. In case of accuracy, we have systematic error. In case of precision, we have random error. In case of accuracy, it's a single factor. In case of precision, it's multiple factor. Degree of conformity is highly required in case of accuracy, but degree of reproducibility is highly required in case of precision. Thank you.